doll fireplace and a rocking chair, a miniature chase lounge, and a little swimming pool? Learn the best ideas for winter and summer Barbie vacations in our new video. It's finally winter break and the friends are going on a vacation, but they didn't agree on where exactly they are going. Christy wants to go somewhere tropical, and Dolly is preparing for a ski resort. And how are they supposed to agree on what to pack and the destination now? Easy! The weatherman says that all flights are canceled because of a snowstorm. Stay at home, girls! But Christy knows what they should do because the girls collect Barbies and everything related to them. The girls want to have some refreshing drinks, smoothies, and hot cocoa. Well, let's make something yummy for our dolls too. Pour clear glue into 2 containers. Add yellow acrylic paint to one container and pink to the other. And pour it into a decorative bottle, layer by layer. Hot glue a thin plastic circle with a hole on top. Cut a toothpick and paint it red. Stick it in the bottle as a straw and bend it just a little. Christy made a bright miniature smoothie for her summer Barbie. Dolly is catching up. She made some cocoa to warm up her winter Barbie. Take a thimble and even out the bottom so that it can stand still. Wrap a thin strip of a white foam rubber sheet around it. Fill the thimble with brown acrylic paint. Roll light white clay. Cut it into little pieces. Put them into the cup to be marshmallows. Wow! There are even teeny marshmallows! Both dolls are happy with their drinks. And the girls enjoy theirs. If we have to stay at home, then we can arrange a vacation for at least our dolls. This is the final call for flight to Barbie Land. But Christy got tired and fell asleep. That's a great idea! We will make a sleeping mask for our Barbie. Draw a sleeping mask on a white foam rubber sheet. Make a horn on a yellow foam rubber sheet, ears, and a mane on pink. Cut the pieces out. Fasten the pieces together and add details with a black pen. Hot glue a rubber band to the mask. Cut off the excess. Now Barbie can relax on a plane. Nothing will disturb her deep plastic sleep, unlike Christy. Christy wakes up and decides that her doll also deserves some comfort. She needs a travel pillow. Cut a squishy ring. Trim the ends to make them oval. Coat the squishy with rubber paint. Now both dolls can comfortably go on their vacation. They will definitely sleep tight. Dolly's Barbie is finally at her ski resort. Her owner's dream came true. The only thing missing is a fireplace. Take 2 identical sheets of styrofoam. Cut a rectangle in one of them so that it'll fit the size of a small photo frame. Glue the sheets together. Coat the piece with acrylic paint. Roll out light red clay. And randomly cut it into pieces. This is decorative tile. Paint the frame black. Cut the ends off a headband. Wrap a ruler in a black foam rubber sheet. Attach it to the side of the styrofoam block. Fasten the black frame. Attach the decorative light clay tile to the fireplace. Break wooden sticks and put them in as firewood. Place the grate made out of a headband and hang a garland with decorative little stockings, clothespins, and Christmas decorations. This fireplace will look great in the interior of any ski resort. Now it's warm and cozy. Christy wants her beloved doll to have a nice vacation. At least one of them will be on the beach. Barbie, get ready to swim and dive in a swimming pool. Cut out a rectangle in a notebook. Glue the pages. Paint the rectangle blue. Cut thin plastic straws. Fasten them to make a ladder. Hot glue the ladder to the swimming pool. Put in blue slime to be water. Christy decides to present her own invention. Be careful! Don't spill any water out of the swimming pool. Making a swimming pool in a notebook is a brilliant idea because you can take it along to any resort.